Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, performing such a reset will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Now, with that being said, there is a chance that the device might become FRP locked, and as far as I'm aware, there is no way of bypassing this. At least not that I have one added right here, so I don't know. So keep that with in mind. Usually that happens, meaning the FRP locked, when you have a Google account signed in on a device and a screen lock, and you do this without going to the settings. Now, in any case, to get started, we're gonna hold our power button. From here, you wanna swipe up to turn off your device, and once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you should see the recovery mode show up. There we go. At which point you can let go of the buttons, and in here we're gonna select wipe data, which we do by using volume buttons, and then press power button to confirm it. Then select wipe all data, again confirm with that, and select confirm. As you can see, it only goes to like a couple percent and gives you the message data wipe successfully, so we can start spamming power button. And this basically reboots the device and then continues the reset in the background. Now, because it's continuing the reset in the background, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that is completely normal. Once that is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.